welcome to this brand new video. This video we're gonna take a look on how we can use Flutter package animation. So just follow along with me. As you can see, this I just have an app here how we can implement this kind of animation. So just follow along with me here. I've already opened the page. Just go there. Don't worry, by the way, don't worry. I'm going to put the link where you can find all this animated /text /kit 1.3.1. so yeah, when you come to this page and there are a lot of animation you're gonna choose, so definitely I'm gonna choose this one, type animated text kit. So I'm just gonna copy this one here like this, where they have chart, and I just have my project here where they have text. So I'm just gonna remove the text and I'm gonna just paste it here. And when if we still go back there again, you see that there is a curly brace there. So here we have text, so you have to replace this one. It's not enough to do blah blah blah. You have to replace all this one here plus this one. So you don't need to copy all of this one here. So you have to replace this one with your own text, with what you really want to animate. So right there, I'm just gonna come here. I just want to animate through. So I'm gonna remove this one, change this, move the next one. Yeah, there we go. So that is how you have to do it. You put the first one, and then what you really want to animate the second one, and then your text style, and then color, and so on and so forth. So that is how you use color, that's how you use package animation in your Flutter project. So the rest, if you just want to follow the rest, as you can see, I've already mentioned this one, this. When it comes to my project, these are the 2, 1 and 2. So if you just, let me just cross this one there. When you have this text style, this is the second one, this is it. So if you want to change the family, you want to change the font family to Bomba, okay, then it's up to you. So guys, that's how you can use Flutter animated package. So guys, let me just run the app one more time. The app was already running, so let me just use hot reload. You see, this was our truth. So I didn't use the one of false, the same thing. False, the same thing, use the same one, and yeah, and everything. So this is it, guys. This is how you use Flutter animated package. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and if there's any comment, please leave it down below. To that, see you.